Alright, Cameron, so need you to do this, fix some redirects that show up in Search Console. Since we're using Yoast Premium on this site, we have Search Console right here. This pulls in all of the 400 errors that are on Search Console. Sign in here. NeONBRAND. Oops. So, got a few different things to look at, but that's this coverage one, yeah. 400 errors. So there's some showing up here, but they get pulled over into here. So we just want to make sure all of these work. It's really easy with the Yoast plugin. Basically, I'm going to start with this one because I know it'll work. So when I click view on this and how our site is built, it actually does a search for you and tries to find that page. So it's actually right here. Here are some of the pages. So if I click that, then let's slide this down into view here. This is the new URL I want it to go to. If I come back over here, create redirect, leave everything else, mark it as fixed, create redirect. Now automatically if I hit that link again, which was that, it'll automatically redirect me to the right place, which it did. So we need to go through and update all of these as quickly as possible, if possible. These 410 codes I'm going to remove, so none of these 410s will be a problem, but all the 404s need to be redirected to hopefully the correct page. And if there isn't a correct page, then redirect it to the home page. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't just guess, because these are pretty important. Thanks.